Hello student, this is Poonam Dandare, Assistant Professor of Department of Information Technology of Tulsiramji Gaikwad College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In this session, we have to see the fifth program of object-oriented methodology. That means the aim is program to illustrate the concept of function overloading. So basically, we have to first see the function overloading. So function overloading is a features in C++. When two or more functions can have the same name but different parameters. That means when a function name is overloaded with different jobs, it is called function overloading. In function overloading, function name should be the same and the arguments which we pass the argument should be the different. So this is the basic program for the function overloading. So in this program we have to just display the numbers which we have to store in this particular program. So basically the function overloading is the example of the polymorphism. That means we have used the same functions with the different characteristics. That means polymorphism is the basically known as the same person with the different number of characteristics. That means same person perform the different number of characteristics in that particular environment. So this is the basic simple program for function overloading. Initially we have include the header file, that is the iostream.h and conio.h, and we have to just initially we have to just globally declare the three functions. In this program I just use the three functions, that is the display. In first function we have used the first, that is we have to just pass the one argument. In second function we have to pass the one argument with different data types, and in third function we have to pass the two argument with one data type is the integer and second is the float. So we have to just start with the main function. In the main function I have to just create the two variable. First is the a and second is the b. In a we have to just initialize the 5 as a number, and in b which is the data type of float, and in this we have to just initialize the 5.5 as the float variable. After that we have to just call the display method which we already written in outside the main function. So in main function we have to just call that particular function. So first function we have to just call, that is the in display. We have to just in main function we have to pass the argument in the a, and we catch in the method, that is the display, we catch in the var variable. So just we have to replace the value of a in the var variable. So in display we have to just simply write the integer value. This program, it is general the concept, we have to just use the concept of the function overloading. That means how function overloading we have to use. That means function overloading is the function name should be the same with the different arguments. So just we have to pass the different arguments. So we have to just write here the first function, that is the display, and we have to just print the integer number. In second method we have to just pass the float value. So we have to just we have to just print the float value, and in third method we have to pass the two argument, that is the first is the integer and second one is the float. So we have to just pass the two value. Each and every line should be end with the end l. So we have to just use the end l to have to just insert the in next line. So function overloading is basically known as the with the function name should be the same with the different arguments. So I just run the program, there is no error. So first program, that means the first method display, it has print the integer value. Second float, that is the second method or the second function, it use the float value, and in third function we have to just pass the two argument. First is the integer and second one is the float. So there is the integer value and the float value. So this is the general program for the function overloading. So this is the basic program for function overloading. So that means we have to use the same function names with the different arguments. So this is known as the function overloading in the C++. So thank you so much.